Okay, so for this project today, you only need a white charcoal pencil. This is actually by Neo Color. This is a permanent wax oil pastel. Start over. Okay, for this project, you're only going to need a few simple supplies, and the first one is a Neo Color wax oil pastel in the color white, a Sharpie peel-off pencil in the color black, a standard number 2 pencil, I'm pretty sure you have a lot of these, and an eraser. And we're just going to be drawing an eye right here on this gray sheet of paper. Now, before we begin, I know you guys already should have all your supplies sharpened, so we're going to start out and let's get right to it. And we're just going to be starting with a simple oval shape. As stated, all eyes come in different shapes. So this one, I decided just to make an oval shaped eye. An almond shaped eye is what you would call it. Another term. So you're just going to try to keep perfecting that oval as much as possible. Get your eraser if you have to, like I'm using here. And just make the line as perfect as possible. Just keep going over your picture, fixing your mistakes as much as you can. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So nothing different, just going over the eye like so. I wanted to speed up the camera because it's a very long process. You would be surprised how long it takes just to draw a simple shape as such. So once that we get finished making sure that everything's okay with the eye and the pencil, we're going to go in with our charcoal and we're going to go over it and make everything permanent. And if you don't have these supplies, don't worry about it. Just keep using your pencils. There's really no difference aside from the fact that you get a better pigment. So use what you have until you're able to get the real thing. And just keep going over them lines. What I'm doing now is I am making the little imperfections that each eye has. So I'm making the little water lines, the eyelashes, and everything that you wouldn't notice that every eye has. That's just what I'm drawing. I'm going to be doing some shading at the top of the eye and in the corner of the eye, and I'm going to be slowly enhancing that shading throughout the video to give it a more realistic look. So unfortunately you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm making a circle in the center of the eye like that, and we're going to be fixing that to make it more symmetrical. So when you're drawing an eye, people just think it's just 2 circles, and it's really 3 or more. It all depends on the shade of the person's eye that you're drawing and how experienced of an artist you are. So you just keep going over that eye and adding small details little by little. The details are very important, and that's what we're going to do.